Bostik's Never-Seez products are industry-leading anti-seize and lubricating compounds that provide a protective coating to parts and make product assembly easier. Follow these steps to correctly apply Never-Seez. Liberally brush Never-Seez to the base of the threads. Next, screw the nut to the top of the bolt shaft. Once at the top, unscrew the nut back to the base. The backward and forward motion will evenly fill Never-Seez between the bolt threads for effective lubrication. Do not apply Never-Seez to both the nut and bolt or fully coat the threads. Wipe off any extra lubricant. Be sure to apply Never-Seez under the bolt cap. This sometimes overlooked area can cause more friction than the threads. Now you're ready to assemble the part. The Never-Seez will allow you to achieve maximum tightening force while applying the least amount of torque. And that's it. Properly applying Never-Seez lubricating compound is quick and easy.